Hey warriors, welcome back to the channel. In this video you're gonna see some awesome CQB gameplay at the abandoned hotel near the seaside at Bulgaria. The organization was great and the people here are awesome.
Очень снял, чтоб что-то.
Playing on a new field with new people, not knowing if there is an enemy player behind every corner made my heart skip a few beats.
What is real? На прозор что?
See what I mean? A beat, just skip it.
Bad idea that. Daar zou het vooraan. Дякую, знаю. Давай.
For everybody who's wondering what happened, the wind blew my BB around the corner and an enemy player was taken out.
Ну что съешь? Ну ты благодарю.
After I was left alone for a few minutes, it was time to link back to my squad and continue pushing together.
Стара ми готино.
I don't know if it's just me, but I'm kinda getting the Tarkov Raid Series Part 3 vibes here.
Навіть і дясно звинули. Раз.
Let's be honest, warriors. This place is beautiful.
Okay. Udaren! Awesome. Awesome, super fine. Let's go.
I'm gonna let you guys figure out and let me know down in the comment section where do you think I put that big bag of drugs. And this is it for today's video, warriors. I hope you liked it and I hope to see you in the next one.